Hello children, today in this video we will discuss the remaining questions of exercise 16.1. First of all, question 4. Find the value of x in the given figure. So figure is given to you, we have to calculate the value of x. And one thing more children, in this figure take it as angle 1. This you will take it as angle 1. Now children, angle 1 plus 80 is equals to 180 degree because it is a linear pair lying on the straight line. So on the straight line, sum of the two angles is equals to 180 always. Next is angle 1 is equals to 180 minus 80, which is equals to 100. So this angle is equals to 100. Now children, this angle is equals to 100. This is 95. This is 105. Value of x you have to calculate. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle A is equals to x, angle B 95, C you have calculated 100 and D is 105. So add all of them. What you will get is 300. X plus 300 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 300. The value of x will be 60 degree. Next is in quadrilateral PQRS, we have to again calculate the value of x over here. So angle P plus angle Q plus R plus S is equal to 360. 76 plus 138 plus x is equal to 360. So from here 76 plus 138 is equals to 214 plus x is equals to 2x. So keep 2x over here only and shift 214 towards another side. So 360 minus 214, it is equals to 146. So x is equals to 146 upon 2, which is equal to 73. Question 8 children, because question 5th and 6th we have done in the book. So question 8, ABCD is a parallelogram. What special name in each case given below will you give it if AB is equals to AD? Now this is a parallelogram. If AB is equals to AD, when the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, it is known as rhombus. This fill up is also there. Next is angle BAD is a right angle. BAD, it is a right angle, means 90 degree. So when angle is 90 degree, it will be a rectangle. And when both the cases will come, AB is equals to AD and each angle is also 90 degree, it is a square. That is the third part. AB is equals to AD and BAD is also a right angle. So it will be a square. Question 9 children. In the given figure, PQRS is a rectangle. This is a rectangle given to you and diagonals intersect at O. This is the O point. If POQ is 94 degree, POQ is 94 degree, find which value we have to calculate? PQO. PQO means angle 1 we have to calculate. So children, see carefully. This is angle 1, this is 2, this is 4 and this is 3. So children, in this you have done that OP is equals to OQ. That is diagonals of the rectangle bisect each other. Bisect means they cut each other equally. So OP is equals to OQ. These sides will be equal. So in a rectangle PQRS, diagonals bisect each other. Therefore OP is equals to OQ. And angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. That is angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Now children, in triangle POQ, 94 degree plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So 94, 1 plus 2 is equals to 180. Now angle 1 is equals to angle 2. And shift 94 also towards that side. So 180 minus 94 is 86. Angle 1 plus angle 1 is equals to 86. I have replaced angle 2 by angle 1 because angle 2 and angle 1 are both same. So 2 angle 1 is equal to 86. Angle 1 will be 86 by 2, which is 43. So children, PQO will be equals to 43. Second part is POS plus, okay children, now we have to calculate over here angle 3, which is PSO. Before calculating this angle, we should know that this angle is equals to how much. So this is a straight line, 94 plus this angle, that is POS. So POS plus POQ is equals to 180 because linear pair. So POS we have to calculate, and POQ is equals to 94 is equals to 180. POS is equals to 180 minus 94 and POS is equals to 86. Second thing, again same thing, that angle 3 is equals to angle 4 because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Next, in triangle POS, this angle is equals to 86 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 180. Now 3 and 4 are equal, so instead of 4 I will write 3. So 2 angle 3 is equals to 180 minus 86 and angle 3 is equals to 94 by 2 which is equals to 47. So PSO is equals to 47. Third part is to calculate angle SOR. Now children, SOR is opposite to this 94. So SOR is equals to 94 vertically opposite angle. This will come here. Question number 10. A quadrilateral has 3 acute angles. Acute angle children less than 90. Each measuring 65 degree. Find the measure of fourth angle. So acute angle, all the 3 angles is 65. Fourth angle we will take it as x. So let the fourth angle is equals to x. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. So 65, 65, 65 and x is equal to 360. When you will add 65, you will get 195 plus x is equals to 360. So from here the value of x will be 360 minus 195 which is equals to 165. So our fourth angle will be equals to 165. Next children, 2 angles of a quadrilateral are of measure 65 each and other 2 are equal. 2 are 65 and 2 are equal. So let that 2 equal angles be x. What is the measure of each of the 2 equal angles? So we have to calculate the value of x. Again the same thing children, 65 plus 65 plus x plus x. So here I have written the value is equal to 360. So 65 plus 65 is 130, x plus x is 2x is equal to 360. So value of 2x will be 360 minus 130 and 2x is equals to 230. So the value of x is equals to 115. So each equal angle is equals to 115. Last question of this exercise. In the adjoining figure, P is a point in the interior of AOB. P is a point in the interior of AOB. PM and PN are perpendicular on OA and OB. If AOB, angle AOB is equal to 35, what is the measure of MPN? First of all children, because it is having 4 sides, MO, ON, MP and MP and PN. These are the 4 sides. So it is a quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral MONP, MON plus ONP plus OMP plus MPN. So all are equal to 360 degree. So MON is equal to 35 and this symbol represents 90 degree angle. So PMO or OMP is equal to 90 and ONP is also 90. So MPN we have to calculate is equals to 360. So add all of them, you will get 215 plus MPN is equal to 360 and MPN is equal to 360 minus 215 which is equals to 145. So children, do this exercise in your notebook, all these questions from 4 to 12 and the questions which we have done in book that you will do in book only. Thank you children.